Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got iTel P55 smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here at the top of the retail box, we got this huge P55 branding, some pictures showing front and back of the device. It comes with 50 megapixel primary camera, we got 18-watt charger, it comes with 8GB RAM plus 16GB virtual RAM, so you will get total 24GB RAM and we got 256GB storage. It comes with Smart Link Plus technology, 5000 mAh battery with 90Hz 6.6-inch punch hole display, and here we got some other information and hardware specs of the device that it comes with 8 megapixel front facing camera, we got Android 13 Go edition on this device, it is a 4G smartphone, it comes with a fingerprint sensor and the screen resolution is 720 HD+, and the device is powered by Unisoc T606 processor. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. The iTel P55. Here we got a SIM card tray ejector pin, a quick start guide. Here is the case for the back panel. We got this 18-watt charger, a USB Type-C cable, and here is a 3.5mm earphones provided as well. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of iTel P55, the smartphone, 18-watt charger, SIM card tray ejector pin, USB Type-C cable, a case for the back panel, 3.5mm earphone, and the quick start guide. So here is the iTel P55 4G smartphone in Aurora blue color. So let's switch on the device. After that we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our iTel P55 we got here. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our iTel P55. So on the front side we got a 6.6-inch display. We got a bit of bezels on the side. The bottom bezel, the chin, is a bit thick. The top bezel is as same as the side bezels in terms of thickness, and considering the price segment of the device, this screen to body ratio is quite acceptable. At the top center of the device we got this punch hole where you will find the front facing camera. So this is quite nice that iTel is providing a punch hole display in this price segment. That's quite rare for sure. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack, primary microphone. At the top there is nothing provided. On the left we got the SIM card tray slot, and on the right we got the volume keys along with power button, beneath which you will find the fingerprint sensor. The position of the fingerprint sensor is quite nice. If you are a right-handed person or a left-handed person, you will be able to use the device without facing any issue. On the back we got this huge camera module. At the bottom we got designed by iTel powered branding, as this device comes under the Power series, so the P55 actually is Power 55. Once again, here at the camera module you can see we got this Power logo branding. It comes with 50 megapixel branding as well, and considering the fact that we got a 50 megapixel primary camera with an auxiliary camera, the camera lens circles are quite huge, but the camera module bump is not that much. And as you can see, this is a huge fingerprint magnet. It is easily attracting huge amount of fingerprints, so you will have to keep cleaning it time to time. If you want, you can remove it as well, but unfortunately the iTel P55 display does not come with any other kind of protection, so better to keep this screen protector on it. The Aurora blue color variant of iTel P55 is quite beautiful, as you can see how nicely it is changing the colors on the back panel, and these patterns are actually replicating the Aurora Borealis phenomena, as you can see here in this picture. So the back panel of Aurora blue color variant of iTel P55 is really beautiful, gorgeous looking and pretty eye-catching. Talking about the display, we got a 6.6-inch display with HD plus resolution, so the PPI is not that high, but still the display of iTel P55 is quite nice. The display is sharp enough to enjoy it, and the viewing angles are quite nice as well. The display is bright enough to use the device in outdoors, and as you can see it does not come with any kind of screen flickering issue as well, and it comes with 90Hz refresh rate as well. And as you can see, the display is pretty smooth at 90Hz refresh rate, so you will have a nice viewing experience while using the iTel P55 for sure. Talking about the hardware, the iTel P55 4G comes with Unisoc T606 processor. We got 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. It also comes with Meme Fusion feature that allows you to virtually expand the RAM of the device, and iTel P55 supports up to 16GB of additional RAM. So as mentioned on the retail box, it comes with 8GB RAM and you can add 16GB more, so you will get total 24GB RAM on iTel P55. It comes with 256GB storage, out of which 20.66GB is preoccupied by the pre-installed ROM and application. So you will get around 235GB free on your iTel P55 4G once you start using the device. And if that is not sufficient for you, you can use a memory card to expand the storage of your device as well. iTel P55 also comes with NFC feature that once again you won't find on other smartphones in this price segment. And talking about the software, the iTel P55 comes with Android 13. So this is the home screen of iTel P55. As you can see, it comes with a set of Google applications, and then we got plenty of iTel's very own application like the AI gallery. We got notepad, calculator, file manager, Hi browser, clock, VLive. We got some useful applications in the tools folder like the compass, smart scanner. We got freezer. And then we got plenty of third-party applications like the Facebook, Palm Store, Aha Games, Instagram, TikTok, Wisha Player, Messenger, etc. If you do not want to use any of these third-party applications on your iTel P55, then you can easily uninstall them. So this is quite nice that iTel is providing the option to uninstall any of these third-party applications if you do not want to use them. If you go to the settings, here you can see that iTel is providing plenty of options and settings that you can use to do various customization on your iTel P55. It also comes with some nice options that you can use to improve your productivity while using this device. And as you can see, the ROM here we got is very much similar to the Tecno's Hi OS. Many of the options and settings we got here are pretty much same. We even got the Hi browser that you will find on Tecno's Hi OS powered smartphones. Now talking about the camera, we got an 8MP front facing camera and 50MP primary camera on the back, along with an auxiliary secondary camera. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see in the photo mode, what we got here is the AI cam that is turned on by default. We got the flash, we got timer. It comes with 2x zoom toggle, but this zoom is purely digital. We got the video mode. Here you can see that we can record 1080p resolution videos at 30fps, 720p resolution videos at 30fps as well. So as expected, considering the hardware specs and the price segment of the device, there is no 4K video recording, no 60fps video recording, and that's totally justified. Here we got the option to record some short clips for our social media activities. Then there is the beautification mode. We got the portrait mode as well with some bokeh effect. We got the dedicated super night mode. If you go to more, you can see that it comes with 50MP ultra HD imaging mode. We got AR shot, pro mode, panorama, time lapse, and HDR as well. So once again, considering the price segment of the device, iTel is providing plenty of options in its camera, and we will see how good the camera performance of the device is going to be in our upcoming videos. I just wanted to give you a quick idea about the camera features, options, and settings we got here on our iTel P55. So overall, iTel P55 is looking a very nice smartphone in the entry-level Android smartphone segment, as it comes with a punch-hole display with 90Hz refresh rate, 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, 5000 mAh battery with 18W charging. We got the NFC feature as well, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 50MP primary camera, and a very beautiful looking Aurora blue color. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of iTel P55 will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.